Many people, we open eyes, we bring this culture, we open eyes and we show them that yes, luxury cruises, it is affordable for you, and luxury cruises acceptable for you. We have very acceptable prices, and luxury cruises can bring you profit, you know. And those people who even did not dream about that, they start to dream to travel all around the world, because in our database they will find everything. And I like it because here we suggest people absolutely different, I will make a little bit loyal, absolutely different prices, because we do not suggest people some product plus some commission. We suggest absolutely opposite thing. We suggest people some products. It's our membership in our club for very less money from the beginning, and even less, and even additional discounts, and even cashbacks, and even monthly payment, and even great profit and good business. And if now some travel agency, they will understand what is going on around now with travel business, they will see that it is period of transformation, travel business from offline to online. And if they will continue to give people the same service, I'm sorry, they will become bankrupt. 50% travel tour operator during pandemic time became bankrupted. They bankrupted. And the bankruption period, it started from last year, from 23 September, when Thomas Cook bankrupted, and it caused the whole waves in different travel agencies. Yeah, they try to promote, they try to suggest people, but they have to understand, stop guys, we have to suggest something different, that people could arrange their trips online, that people could save own money, that people cannot overpay, and when people have a chance to control own trips. And what happened now? Unfortunately, those people who booked their vacation, who paid money, and in pandemic time they lost 100% money. No any travel agency that could give this refund back to those clients, and they lost their money 100%. What happened to us? We have some specific partnership program, yes, and 100% money that we spent for our reservation, we got to our cruise account back 100%. So that is why I'm very proud, and because I can show this opportunity to many people. Yes, you can travel, you can use whole worldwide database for yourself. You can not overpay, you can save own money, you can choose any vacation you like, you can go for your luxury vacation. If something happened from their side, you will get your refund, and you can control your vacation. It's absolutely different. So I think we will start, and I will tell you today about our membership, International Cruises Club. It is the first and the only one International Cruises Club that can give you so fantastic chance. Yes, and we have some specific, we are really unique, and nobody can repeat us. We have patented name in cruises, and we have patented product, Cruises Dollars, and no one else can copy it, can repeat it. And that is why we're unique in huge market. We have a unique membership club, and we suggest people to become our partners, to become our members, and travel with our cruises club, choose any cruises they want, and not overpay, save own money, get cashbacks, and get even monthly payment for promotion. If you have your business or if you have your job, no problem. You can have your extra time activity. It could be for you some part-time job, and you can try here, and you will see what you will get here, and then maybe you will change your mind. You do not need to have some special skills. You do not need to have some special education. If you are looking for some new challenge, new opportunity, you're welcome. If you are looking some extra money, you're welcome. If you are looking for options to travel and spend less money, you're welcome. If you are looking for option to travel for free when company pays you, you're welcome. or if you are looking for some good business online, you're welcome. Or if you are looking for some great business with big money, you're welcome too. Anyone can join. It is membership club. And no need, as I told, no need some special skills, some special education. Just all we need, your strong desire and understanding. And in this case, we'll go together, we'll grow together. I will assist you, I will help you, I will guide you until your first success, until you start to get monthly payment here. Because I like this project, I see what is going on around, and I see how many people change their lives forever here. So we do not sell cruises, we do not sell anything. You do not need to be a seller. You need to be a good coach, you need to be a good trainer, and you need just to be a motivated person. You have to have motivation. And you're welcome. And if you decide to join to our club, yes, I will give you a referral link, because without referral link, nobody can get into the site. Yes, we have special offers. We have special prices, and that is why we're a closed membership club, and just only members of our club can use our searching system, global searching system, where they can find more than 5,500 cruises, any part of the world, any port of departure, any cruising lines, any cruising ships they can choose. They can choose a trip from 1 day till half a year. It's up to them. What we do, we inform people. We introduce this project. We introduce our searching system. If they want just to be only travelers, we show people how they can arrange their cruises. We teach them, and that's all. If people want to have a business here, okay, we explain how to make money here. We introduce them our compensation program, and we guide them until the first success. So it is absolutely new model. As you understand, we invite people to be members and partners in our club. And in this club, they can arrange whatever they need, whatever they want. We have some special partnership program, and we have direct agreements to all main cruising lines in the world. Now we have around 16 cruising lines, more than 5,500 cruises destinations, and we add recently we add 2 new cruising lines, AIDA and Pullmantur, and soon we'll add 15 cruising lines more, and so we'll have whole database in the world in one platform. And what we do, actually, it is a platform like Booking, where we connect two parts, travelers and cruising lines, cruises ships and travelers, and give them a chance to arrange any cruises for very, very less money that you can not find in any other places. And it's absolutely changed. It's this membership model change business totally, and all families start to think different way and start to plan their vacation. And they see that for those money they spent before, to some packages, to some tours for shore vacation, they can spend less money and see more places. And it changed the model, how they collect own money for own vacation, how to avoid to take credit, maybe a loan, a loan in the bank, and how to see the world for 5 years. Because in our cruises club, you can have a chance to see 3-4 countries for 1 week, 7-8 cities. And usually our members, our partner, they have a chance to travel 3-4 times per year. And for 5 years, you can visit 50 countries. And you know, I'm very proud to share with you some very specific information, because during pandemic time, we even grow faster than before, because now people looking for a chance to have good online business that can make from kitchen to kitchen, from office to office, from beach to beach, from any places where they have internet, and they can do this business. And people, a lot of people join during pandemic time, and they make very good money here, especially Europe, Norway, England, Spanish guys, many people from Singapore, from Korea, Puerto Rico. Yes, they just sit and make money here with introducing our project online. Because here You can travel for less. You can travel even for free. Show me, how do you think? Do you have some people around you who doesn't want to travel for less money? Everyone will tell you, yes, I would like to spend less and to go high quality vacation. And how do you think, do you have someone in your environment that do not want to travel for free? When company pays you for your vacation, everyone will tell you, yes, I would like to have my free vacation. And we suggest people to get payment. And as I told before, yes, we built customer base. We built a constant database of clients for whole cruises industry through our membership club. It is nearly the same. Someone could suggest you some years ago and suggested you to become a partner of Booking.com, for example. Yes, now we all, nearly everyone use the system like a client, but now we have a chance to get very good profit for promotion our membership club and to get very good payment. And if not, you will recommend this, your environment, your clients, someone will come you and will recommend you. It's time of business online. It's time of business of recommendation. And I can tell you honestly, all business that you see online, all business based on system of recommendation. How you can introduce business online? Huh? You advertise? No. It is business that can be recommended by someone. And here for recommendation, company pays us very generous and fast. And of course, we have a lot of fun. We have a lot of joy. We have a lot of bright emotion, very, very nice feeling, because we become a part of big community. We grow fast in 178 countries for 4 years. Can you imagine this figure? It's nearly the whole world. And we built not just only customer base for cruising lines. It is a community of conscious travelers. And it's like a big family. And yes, we have a big event. And we suggest people this lifestyle, to be a cruiser, to have more time for your family, for your loved one, for your children, for your parents, to have more time for yourself. We suggest people to have more money in their pocket. We suggest people to travel more, to see more, to spend less, to get paid from that. If anyone does not want that, I think yes, everyone wants it, because how we live now, we have a lot of tasks, we have a lot of deals. We try to earn money here. We try to earn money here. We have to put a food on our table. We have to pay bills. Okay, no problem. Try to be our member. Try to be our partner, and you will see what will happen. And even now, even if you do not have any money now, try to understand what will happen to you, what you will get, and try to be in growing trend. Now, online business, it is growing trend, and if you choose this chance, you can win. If you stay where you are now, offline business, offline travel business will go down as far as we stay in quarantine, and whatever can happen. So use the chance, try to understand one time person, your client, your potential partner, your potential client made registration from your link, start to travel. We'll teach him how to travel. They will bring you money every time. You will get income every time when anyone makes reservation in our system. So it's fantastic option. And in our database, you can find any destinations you want. I'm sorry, just have one guy shoot. Okay, bad weather in Zanzibar. One guy, he can't connect. It's very windy weather. You see, some guy from Zanzibar, Tanzania, he's in travel business also, and he would like to join to our club and to make business here. Fantastic. Where you can find interesting people? On bus stop? No. You will find interesting people, driving people in some community, and exactly here. Because here we have adventurous people who is looking for some great chance. So in our database, you will find any destinations you want. It could be Arctic, Antarctic, Galapagos Island, Atlantic cruises, crossing cruise. It could be Norwegian fjords, Madagascar, Mauritius, Seychelles Island. It could be Australia, New Zealand, Mediterranean, of course. It could be trip from 1 day to half a year. Whatever you want, you will get my referral link after this presentation, and you will see how our site looks like, and you will understand what you can get here. And you will find all information about our company on our website in 17 languages, and we all time add new languages, and just only press a button and all information will be translated into another language. So we have a unique membership, and we have a fantastic concept and fantastic patented trademark Cruises Dollars. And according to this Cruises Dollars, we have a lot of discounts in our search system. And when you open our site and you will see global cruises, you will understand that our price is much more less, because for $1 we have our 2 Cruises Dollars. And every time when we collect our money for our cruise vacation, company make it double. And the prices on our website you will see in Cruises Dollars, and we all understand that for us it costs 50% till 50% less. And of course you will be surprised, because even prices in our Cruises Dollars much more less than you can find the same vacation in travel agency. And I will share with you about some news. Last week I talked to some lady from United States, and she shared with me, yes, I last winter I got very nice cruises with a lot of discounts, and I travel in MSC Cruising Lines, and it cost me and my grandchild $960 American dollars. And I asked her, what is Cruising Lines? Okay, MSC. What cabin you had? Ocean View? No, inside cabin. Just only 5 days, Mexico cruise. I opened our search system and make a screenshot and send her. In our search system, you will find the same cruise for 5 days, Mexico, for 290 Cruises Dollars or 360 Cruises Dollars, and children in MSC Cruising Lines till 14 years in our Cruises Club for free. So how do you think? Can it be profitable for you? I think yes. And in addition, we have a chance to get payment for cruises. What should we do? We should just only make recommendation. And usually what we do first time, we invite people to my presentation, to my webinars. People talk to me, give them my telephone number. I will explain how our system works, and you will get first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 partners. And we are the first and the only one International Cruises Club. There is no any other International Cruises Club, and we focused only in cruises industry. And we are a member of CLIA, Cruise Line International Association. It combines companies that produce cruise ships, utilize cruise ships, provide with different service cruising lines. And we're just only one member, honorable and proud member of Cruising Line International Association. And of course, from our database, you can choose any cruises you want and make a reservation. That's all. We focus exclusively in cruises industry. Why? Because last time people like this type of vacation. It's absolutely comfortable. You do not need to unpack your luggage if you want to visit a lot of places. You just only step on the board and you forget about it. You're in a relaxed atmosphere, 24 hours, different cuisine, a lot of entertainments, a lot of sport activity. It could be Broadway show, Cirque du Soleil. And on the show, you have to pay extra money for that, by the way. For example, $50, at least $50, it's not less. And you know, here it is included. And some guy told me recently, oh, I have to pay extra money for food. No, forget about it. It's not true. In Cruising Lines, you have 24 hours exclusive cuisine for free. Forget about that. It is lie. It is not true. 24 hours exclusive cuisine. It could be a la carte restaurant, or it could be a buffet restaurant, but you will have your cuisine, you will have your meal 24 hours. Believe me, you will add some extra kilos from that. And we have special decks for children. If you have a child, you can leave your child. He or she will be feeding time. They will put this child to sleep. They have a different entertainment program and different groups for age. Start from 6 months, from infant, and different age, 5, 6 people, 1 coach, and they will enjoy to stay on the ship because they have own program, they have own restaurant, and modern cruising ships. It's a huge mega resort with you, with a lot of things there, and the parks, fountains, gardens, and so on and so on. You will really be surprised. And that is why people like it. And when they step on the board, they can visit 7, 8 cities for 7, 10 nights. Every morning you are in your port. You can go outside. You can stay on the ship. You can choose whatever you want. And of course, the cost of this service 30-50% less at the same quality service on the shore. And one time people try this type of vacation, 90% people come back again. It's our constant customers. They like it because they're not overtired, they are not exhausted, they're in a relaxed atmosphere, very romantic atmosphere, and they want to see the world and not become exhausted. And that is why they come again and again. And you know, now we are so much missed about our vacation that I would like to go to any places. And you know what else? Because we are a club, we have a community, we can travel together. For example, some of my partner and my members and just only my friends, they live in France or in Italy or in Zanzibar, for example, this guy who is going to join to my team in Zanzibar. Okay, we can arrange the same cruise and go together. We can make a lot of training there, maybe presentations, and spend time together and maybe teach each other something. It's absolutely different lifestyle. And of course, you will like it because you will meet a lot of interesting people. It's not vacation for rich people, for some special people. We make luxury cruises affordable, acceptable, and profitable for usual people with average income. And we give people a chance to earn money from recommendation to be a part of our membership club, where they can have a lot of advantages, a lot. Cruises for less prices, cruises for free, to be a part of a global community, and so on and so on, to make big business and so on. Okay, I think it's very clear, and that is why people like it. We make a deal in proven industry. Cruises industry is the most flexible industry, and I'm very happy to share in Facebook now about new information, how cruises lines start now from August, how cruises lines, different ships, different routes, they will start from 31st of October. And it is industry that reflect faster, and they will restart in full capacity faster. Travel industry, it is $8 trillion, and cruises industry, they are $2 trillion. It's rich industry, and those guys who invest money here, it is rich guy, and they calculate their money very, very nice. And each ship costs from $1 billion to $6 billion. It depends on the quantity of decks and what is it inside. And in next 10 years, we'll be launching to the water 50 cruises ships. And even now in pandemic time, we all time get updating from our staff, from our cruises club. It's our vice president. He is a head of communication with cruising lines. He informed us all time how many cruises ships even now in order and ready to be launched even this year and next year. This crisis is just only for some people. Some people see in this situation crisis, other people see opportunity. And next 10 years, we'll be launching to the water 50 cruises ships. And each cost of each from $1 billion to $6 billion. and will be invested and already start to invest in this industry $73 billion to increase harbor, to improve ports, and so on and so on. So this huge amount of money, those guys calculated very nice what profit they will get. So that is why we are growing trend and big industry, and we have unique product. We have our membership club where you can save your clients, where you can get residual income all time. And we have a huge market because just only 20-25% in the United States and Canada, they can afford to travel for cruises. I told you prices, $960. Mamma mia. We can travel in 3 cruises for this money in the same category cabin. Of course, if you choose some suite or some luxury apartment, of course, it will be different price. But for the same category of cabin, you can travel 3 times for that money. And you can travel even 5 times if you are a free member. And I was surprised, for example, to know that in Europe, just only 10% people travel in cruises. And I believe in it because last year when this summit was in February before pandemic time. I was in Naples. In Naples, we opened there. I have there my partners. I visit them, and I had a chance to compare prices. I have seen MSC, some travel agency, suggest the same cruise that you have for $300, for example, $50. They have the same cruises for $800. Of course, euros. I'm sorry. Of course, it is expensive for people, but when people understand what they can get here, they like our project, they would like to be our members, and they start our members, and they will never come back again to any travel agency because here they have everything. They have huge database, they can choose whatever they want, they have lowest prices from the very beginning, they have a chance to get money, they have a chance to travel for free when company pays for this cruise vacation, and when they have a chance to earn here. It's fantastic. And so that is why I like this information to introduce in another way. 80% people in the United States and Canada do not travel in cruises because they think it's expensive, not affordable, and so on. 90% in Europe and 92% the rest of the world, the same, in Ukraine is included. So it's huge market. We just want to show people the chance. You can do here this, and that. We show them huge market, unique product, whole world. You control your vacation, you get your cashbacks, you get your monthly payment, you get from the first moment, you get your money for free, enough money for your travel. You can travel for less money, and you have a chance to travel for free. Fantastic. Ask anyone, would you like to be a member of this kind of club? Everyone will tell you yes. And someone tell you it's too much to be true. Yes, it's true. And you will be, you will know about that. You will find out about that. Our company, a little bit, I will tell you about our company, launched in 2015, 24 August, and started to work actively since January 2016. And again, for 4 years, we successfully grow in 178 countries already. Just only 8 countries. We do not have any deals. It is 8 countries that United States, because it's American company, United States doesn't have any economical relationship. It's like Somalia, Libya, and so on. Our website now in 17 languages all time. We so fast change. We have so much improvements on our website that presentation they do not change in time. In 17 languages and all time. When we have new active partners, site translated into another languages, just only press a button, and all information, huge information, a lot of information that you choose for your promotion, for our promotion, you can translate in different languages, and you can suggest this project to this membership club to any part of the world, any friends you have, even if you do not speak that languages, no problem. You can invite these people. They will open site. They will understand. And we have a monthly presentation from our staff from our company too. And the company facts prove us that 100% customers, travelers, partners, 100%, we saved our money 100%. So it means, if even I'm just only traveler or I'm a partner, no problem. All people can save own money from the first steps. There is no any person that overpay, and there is no any person in our cruises club that lose their money. And this business opportunity, this business changed lives of 1,000 people in different countries, and you will see. They become leaders. They change their lifestyle. They release from debt. They become rich people. They become financially confident people, and it changed their lives totally, because they have a chance now to travel, not just only in cruises, in any trips, and they have enough money for that, and have enough money to arrange own accommodation, to buy new cars, for example, to pay for education, own children, to put the food on the table, to travel around the world, and to live a financially independent life, and to have enough time to spend this time for themselves, for their families, and to have enough geographical freedom, financial and geographical freedom. It's absolutely new people who get it, new, who was in death. Who were in this, I'm sorry. And of course, we all have the same chances. Anyone joined to our club from anyone's referral link have the same equal chances, and they can grow faster, bigger. They can earn more money, for example, than me. I will be just only happy because a company will pay me 40% from your income. I will be happy to help you to grow. And I invite everyone to our company, and I'm very proud to introduce you our two co-founders, Michael Hutchison and Trent Cadena. And you can check information about those great people. They deserve to be leaders of so fantastic company. And our Michael, the first from the left side, he is crisis manager. And of course, it's interesting to know that he works for Anthony Robinson, who knows it is a world famous coach. But for me, very important, and he is an author of different bestsellers. For me, very important to know, to understand what is personality of Michael Hutchison. It is a strong leader. It is educated person. It is a person with big heart, big soul, and we feel like we're in a big family. And that is why it is our culture to bring this value to other people. And I'm very proud because I had the chance to know him personally, because he comes to every country where he has his team, 178, just only pandemic time, a little bit changed the schedule, but this June, he had to be in Kiev again. And last year we had a great event for 350 people, 3,500 people, I'm sorry, in the biggest palace of Kiev, Ukraine, for 2 days. And I'm very proud to know him personally. And really, I like it because in pandemic time, we so much felt their support. We so much felt their encouragement. We so much felt, yes, Michael was us. Michael updated with this info. Michael updated with this info. And the most important, that in pandemic time, company continued to pay us very accurate, very punctual, and we are all have a chance and had a chance to earn money when other companies close business, and when other companies some people lost their job. And why it happened to us? Because those two guys arranged this company for own money, and they were very proud because we have 0 deaths before any investor and before any bank. So just only you will be surprised, but this you will have a chance to meet these people, and you will have a chance to listen to them every week, and you will be introduced to them. So I like these slides very much because it is people like me, like you. They joined to our club in different time, mostly 3 years ago, someone 4 years ago, someone 2 years ago. But it is usual people who came with different education, different skills, with different nationalities, different countries, and they reached the highest level in our cruises club. That is why we call this slide proven business, because usual people prove it is possible, not just only one person. 12 people reached the highest level in our club, and now they got huge amount of money, monthly payment. And it is, for example, Santiago, the first from the left, from Puerto Rico. He had his job for fixing windows, and he just only spent part-time. It is our Natalie Chevelle, the first one from the right side. He became a board of directors, one of the first in 2 years. Yes, she had a lot of debts, but now she is a board of directors. It is people from Singapore, Korea, Spain, Andorra, young guys, 25, 30 years old. They just only look at the opportunity, trust in it, believe in it, and start to move. It is people from Kazakhstan. And you know what happened? Before quarantine, on this slide, we could see just only 9 people. During quarantine time, we add new board directors. It is people who start to earn. I'm sorry, you will see. I do not want you to be scared, but it is people who earn now more than $50,000 per month. It's around a monthly payment around $100,000 per month. Yes, we have very simple compensation program. Absolutely simple. Absolutely, there is no any complication. Just only two types of payment. It is instant payment from registration people from your link, and it is monthly payment. That's all. We have 5 bonuses, but it is 2 groups: one-time payment when you made registration, and monthly payment when your team start to grow. And what happened when you have first 30 people in your team? You see here 30 plus, you will start to get monthly payment, $600 in your wallet, in your prepaid MasterCard. I will show you how we get our money. And not just only you. For example, I give recommendation to you, you give recommendation to someone else, and I give a recommendation to other people. From all my direct recommendation and recommendation of my people all together, no matter first line, second line, third line, all together, when I have 30 people in my team, I start to get monthly payment $600. I'm sorry, but at this time, I think it's not so easy to find a company that will pay you monthly payment just only from 30 recommendation altogether. Then, when in your team, 100 people, you start to get $2,000 monthly payment in your wallet. It is American dollars that you can spend in supermarket, that you can go to buy maybe furniture, that you can go to buy maybe a car or some accommodation. Because when in your team 250 people, you have a monthly payment $5,000. 500 people altogether, because all people have a motivation here, you start to get $10,000. Why I introduce you this first 4 lines, first 4 ranks? Because it's not so difficult. It is a halfway to be on this level. And you see here, board of directors, it is 55,000 plus 75,000, altogether $137,000. It is 12 people, do remember, that reached this level. And when Michael Hutchinson realized, yes, guys, we grow very fast, we grow 400% per year. Can you imagine it? It's unbelievable, but it is true, yes. And when he realized that 12 people reached the highest level, he announced last year about new ranks, ambassador, and it is reality. And if you see on this business, you will understand we do not have limit. Any people have here different goals. For example, some people just enough to have $600, it's okay. Some people just want to have 2,000, it's okay. Some people want to have just only 10,000. Okay, we'll make plans according to your goals. But if you want to be a board of directors, of course, we will make different plans. Of course, we will encourage you and they will assist you to grow faster. And how it's happened, how companies start to pay you. For example, you decided to be a partner and a cruiser. So you are the person who wants to travel and who wants to make a business here. Business to make recommendation, to introduce project, to invite people to my presentations. It's complicated. No. So if you want to have money here, if you want to travel, okay, you try to invite the same people. And when you invite first person as you who wants to make business and to be a partner, you start to get instant bonus the same moment. You start to get $50. Second, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 till 150, it is 10th person, and 11th, 12th, and so on, you'll get $150 to your wallet that you can spend in the supermarket. Okay, when it happened during 1 month, for example, your month can start from today or from tomorrow. You will count from your month from 10 August till 10 September, for example. When it happened next month, direct enroll, you enroll direct in next month, you will start to get 50, 60, 70, and so on. So, okay, but when you enroll first 5 directs, for example, you will start to get extra bonuses. Companies start to pay you cruises dollars, because company will tell you, thank you very much for promotion. You will get in your wallet altogether 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 350 American dollars, and we start to pay you 200 cruises dollars in your cruise account to encourage you to go for cruises. Thank you very much for promotion. What you will do, what is your next step? My step with you. Okay, some people can join to you in your first line, it's good, but mostly will be focused in with your team. We have a real teamwork, because all your first 5 direct partners, they will look at you and tell you, I would like to be a free cruiser also. I would like to have this cruise account when company will pay me for my cruises. I do not want to collect on money. Even if I spend very less money, I do not want to collect on money. I would like company pays me, and I would like to have the same. That is why I told you, it's not difficult to have 30 people in your team, because your first 5 will want to have the same as you. And we will help them to do the same, because we all get payment from quantity of people in our team. That's all. All monthly payment we get from quantity of people in our team altogether. So it means that we help our directs, we help our first line, we help our second line, we help our third line, and we start to get profit. And those people who join from your link, they have the same chance. They have equal chance with you, with me, and they can grow faster. They can invite more people. They can send more people their links. And it's great, because we will be paid from them. Company will pay us 40% from their income. So I would like you to understand, it's real teamwork in our Cruises Club. We help each other, and we like to do it because we teach them and they become successful. We make our business to help people to get success, and not just only to travel, to spend less money, to travel for free. We're happy to bring them success, because their success will bring success to us. So you will understand it's real teamwork. And it can happen that someone would like to join to our club just only to travel. Yes, we have an option to, if someone wants just only to travel, to use our searching system, okay, to choose any cruises, to get the lowest prices on the market. It's huge advantages. Yes, we have more and more, but it's huge advantages just for travel. Okay, no problem. If this kind of people join to you, you will get just only $20. Here you have, you see, 50, 60, 70. But from the travel, you'll have just only $20. It's good also, because altogether, the system will calculate for us members, partners, no matter. Altogether, we need to have 30 people to start to get monthly payment. But usually, when those people join to us as a tourist, and when they see, these guys can travel, do this, these guys can have this, they can make upgrade and become a full partner, and can give recommendation to other people. It's fantastic, really. And of course, we have some intensive incentive programs. And when, for example, for your team, you connect first 5 people for 1 month, and you start to get extra cruises dollars, 250 extra cruises dollars in your cruise account for vacation, for cruises trips. And when you have your 30 people in your team for 3 months, for 90 days, company pay you extra. Do you remember, company start to pay you $600 monthly payment, and extra $3,000 if you make it during 90 days, 90 days. how do you think? Is it worth it to make some efforts and get extra $3,000 when you can't find company that can pay you now normally? You will get this money. Of course, it's worth it. And for those people who did not reach the rank of board directors, just only one level before, it is executive. A company present Rolex watches. It's very nice. It's very nice too. So 90 days program. If you join to our club to make business here, from the first step, invite people who wants to make business, who wants to travel. And if it happened during 90 days, you will be involved in a Fast Start program, and you will get extra $3,000. And believe me, your guys will copy the same. They will repeat the same action, and that is why you will grow faster. And if you join to this club to make business, okay, you can do it. And if you start to make a Fast Start program, you will teach. They will copy you. They will duplicate you, and we will encourage them to do the same, because they will get result faster. Okay, so and I would like they will get result faster, because they will have more emotions and feelings to promote it. How we get our money? We get our Cruise wallet in our website. You will see it, Cruise wallet. And this Cruise wallet, every time when you make registration, you process the same moment, you will see there, for example, $50, 67, and so on. And when you get your monthly payment, you will see in your Cruise wallet, you will see in wallet, you will see 600, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, okay, 100,000. And from this Cruise wallet, you just only click a button and transfer money to our prepaid MasterCard that you will get by post, Hyper Wallet, or Pay Quicker, or Pay Out. I choose Pay Out because I can connect a local bank card to Pay Out, and then transfer my money to my local card. It's actually the same you could do. It is money that we get like a payment from promotion, okay? And every month we get, for example, from the company, or we collect all money in our cruise account for our cruise vacation. Company pays us twice, in American dollars that we can spend to buy, and in cruises dollars that we can choose, that we can use only for cruises. And why it's happened? Because company encourage us to travel more, to share, to make this mouse-to-mouse advertisement. And of course, we are interested to build this customer base for cruises lines, because as you know from your maybe experience, the most expensive room, it is available room, not sold room. The most expensive cabin, it is not sold cabin. That is why we have a lot of preferences to suggest people to use our prices and to join to our club and travel with our club. So as you understand from my previous talk, we have two options in our cruises club. We have, if people just only want to travel, to save own money, if they want to enjoy this huge variety of cruises, okay, what they do, they like our prices, they would like to join to us like a cruisers, like a tourist. What they do not pay to company anything. They just only accumulate own money in their own cruise account. They activate own cruise account, deposit for their account $100, and the same moment company make it double, and you will see in your cruise account, it is different account, cruise account, it is account for cruises, $200 cruises dollars. Next month, again, company send you, for example, invoice, you deposit 100, company makes it 200 cruises dollars. You can use your cruises dollars even on 15 days and to choose any cruises from our database and go for cruise vacation. But when you understand how much money you can save, how big discount you can get, you try to accumulate enough money for your cruise vacation. For example, in our database, you will see it in our search system. We have cruises for 1 day, for example, 39 cruising dollars from Marseille to Genoa. Or we have 2 days for 120, or 3 days, 120 cruises dollars in Mediterranean cruise. Okay, so you can choose any cruises and go. But when those people see that in our cruises club, they not just only can save on money, they can earn money, and they can travel for free when company pays. What happened with the free cruises? It happened when they start to recommend. It means they stop after 5 people. They stop to deposit for own account. Company tell you, hey, thank you for promotion. We will deposit for you every month $200 cruises. Is it not good? It's fantastic. You do not need to pay money from the pocket at all. Company will deposit for you $200 cruises every month, and you have a chance to get extra cruises $250 if you have 5 people in your team every month. New people in your team every month, it's extra $250 cruises. You do not need to spend money. Actually, you have a chance to have for your vacation money, and you have a chance to earn your money in your wallet that you can use not just for vacation, for whatever you want. And what happened now? Why so many people joined to our club in pandemic time when no cruises even? Just only now restart. Because until cruising restart, they will restart now. They have already restarted, by the way, one Norwegian Fjords cruise from 25th July. Until they start, our members have enough money in cruise account to book any cruises and have enough money in their pocket. They have 2,000, 5,000, they have enough money. And they do not need to take extra money from their pocket. They can use own money. They during pandemic time, during quarantine time, they made it. They earned it here. So actually, you transfer your expenses for your vacation into income. Show me the company that can suggest you so fantastic opportunities. Show me the company that will pay you all time. Show me this company that will pay you so generous and fast and give you a chance to visit the whole world for so less money, even for free, and even get payment. Really, I'm so much in love with this project that I can't understand people that are still not here. Maybe they know information not right. Maybe they do not understand. Maybe they do not believe. But they have a chance to listen presentation, to check website, to check information. I will tell you how, and to use this chance. Or they can stay where they are, sit on the sofa and dream about it, and they will spend the whole life like that. So just only 5 people that join from your referral link give you a chance to travel for free. I think it's very clear. And of course, you will spend in less time. You for less cost, you can enjoy your life and amazing, and you can visit amazing destination that no any travel agency can suggest you. It's fantastic. You can choose any cruises you want from our booking system. You will see it from. I will send you a referral link. Your children will remember this time. Believe me, whole life, and you will enjoy your vacation in luxury atmosphere with your loved one. It's very romantic place. The most sexiest, by the way, travel trips. It is cruises trips. Yes. You will enjoy it because you have a lot of dancing clubs there. You have a lot of entertainments. You can visit, everything included. You do not need to spend extra money. So, and when you join just only as a tourist and you decide to make recommendation, also, okay, you can make upgrade and pay. In this time, you pay to the company $195 one time, first year. Every next year, we pay just only $95. For example, me, I'm second year in this club, and I pay just only one time per year, $95. It is my access to my web office where I have my prepaid MasterCard, Pioneer, where I have my meeting room like this. I can arrange any presentation in this meeting room, a lot of downloaded information in 17 languages, video presentation, compensation program, brochure, and so on, access to YouTube, everything. I do not need to invent bicycle because everything company invented for me. I just only have to use these tools and these resources. It's fantastic. And you have your own referral link in your web office. You can send your referral link to any person. They just only check website. Even you can not talk to those people. They can join to you and you will see them in your contact list the same moment. You will have a really professional website with a lot of courses. Even before you decide to pay for your membership partnership, you can listen, you can put a tick, I'm above 18 years old, la la la, and you can get access to courses and to global cruises, even without any payments, and you will see all information. You can listen this short video from Michael Hutchison, from our different staff, and you will understand. We have weekly trainings, and if you can come join in time, you will get this training in recording, and company will inform you. We have everything, a lot of videos, presentations, banners, flyers. You just only have to print it. It could be in PDF file, in video. You have everything to promote this business, on duplication program, everything. Yes. And even maquette of your business card created automatically. You have just only to press button and to print it out. Really, it's fantastic web office. You do not need to spend any money. Company invested here $1 million to have so fantastic web office that can be comfortable everyone to make this business online. And I'm very proud to announce that all time some payment system, ePayments, Payoneer, sometimes they have some problem. And Michael announced that we will have own payment system in cruises. Can you imagine it? We will have own payment system. So it means the company has a huge future. Yeah, and believe me, anyone will know about it. Now it becomes a household word, but soon you will understand that all people around you will know about this project, and you will regret that you did not join in time. So when from the first moment after my presentation, after you check in your website, after discussion with me, you understand, yes, I want to do this business. I can do it globally. I can do it in my country. I can do it here, because around me, all people like to travel. Around me, all people want to have a chance to travel for less money. All people want to earn money. Yes, no problem. Just only you have to find out their demands, their wishes. So if you decided to make business from the first moment, great. Then in this case, you will pay $295. Do remember, $195, it is activation, your web office, one-time payment. $100, it is your money for your cruise. You activate your cruise account, and company make it double. Actually, when you decided to join for this business and to travel, the same moment for this investment, you will get 200 cruises dollars, and you can make business. And of course, we will discuss with you Fast Start program, because I will be happy if you make Fast Start program and do not lose this chance to make more money. So you're welcome. I invite people who wants to make business. Okay, if you want just only to travel, okay, also. But I do not hear any reason why not to make a business here while it is a growing trend, and while when I have so huge support from the company. 24 hours we have custom support from the company anytime. You can ask any questions, and you will be surprised how big support you will get from all our leadership team. So join to our club now. Enroll 5 directs. You see here especially given information about first 5 directs. When you start to get status free members, it means you earn $350 American. So you paid $295, but you get $350 American back. You get start to get 200 cruises dollars every month. So for whole year, it is 2,400 cruises dollars. I'm sorry that you could pay from your pocket, but you have it from the company, and you continue to grow because your friends would like to have the same. And we do it with pleasure all together, because it's really like a big team. It's like a really big family. So free cruiser option can be possible just only when you become a member and a partner. Do not worry, believe me, it's so miserable money for so fantastic business, for so fantastic chance to get 600, 2,000, and so on and so on. It's so miserable money that sometimes I'm surprised how people do not understand it. Even if they want to have some meeting room or to have some tools or resources, they have to pay money. Here, no, you do not need to pay. So you're welcome. And it is now you can see how we pay for our membership and partnership. It is on our site. I just only would like you to pay attention, because we do not have any cash. It is 15 options. You can pay from your MasterCard, Visa card, from your Ethereum, Lithium, Kiwi, any kind of company all time add new option, and you pay this way. The same moment you get receipt about payment, every payment you get receipt about payment, and you're welcome. It's very easy. You can pay from your Visa card, MasterCard, from your card, from your corporate card, from your wife, husband, no problem. And very important, when you like our company and you decide to join, you have to check information about our company, and not just only in cruises. Any business you want to start, you have to have a chance to check information about company, how it is serious, how it is legal. And of course, I'm very proud to tell you that we have a 14 days back money guarantee. If you change your mind, for example, today or tomorrow you decide to join to our company, you pay 100 or you pay 295, and after some day you change your mind, no problem. You just only write a letter to the company, and according to the law of protection, you write like a purchaser, you will get your money back guaranteed during 2 weeks, 14 days. I think it's fantastic. So then we have third-party provider guarantee. It is Trustman Travel. It is a well-known company that covers nearly all countries, and every serious travel company, they have guarantee from Trustman Travel. What it means? In hypothetical situation, when in cruises suddenly become bankrupt, but there is no reason for that, we have guaranteed that we will get all our money, 100% money back. And in addition, when we pay for our service, for example, we made reservation for our cruise vacation, suddenly pandemic time happened, how it happened to our clients, to our partners, and until we do not step on the board, we can get our money back. If something happened, if cruises canceled, not because of our reason, but because of cruises lines reason, and we get our money 100 back guarantee in cruise account. So our clients made reservation, and the cruising lines cancel their cruise, they get 100% money back. And in addition, when some of our partners were on cruise that time and ports start to close, they suggest extra days free of charge to our clients. And every port, when they stop and people didn't have a chance to go outside for excursion, cruising lines paid extra 100 euros per person per port. 5 ports, 500 euros for each port, and it was like a refund, so like a compensation. And finally, our tourists, they had to go not from Rome, Civitavecchia, they arrived to Marseille, and cruising lines bought for them new air tickets and provide them with transfer from port to airport. It's fantastic, you know. It's fun. I adore this company. I you know, we are in the right place at the right time with the right company. And I'm proud to tell you that we are a proud member of International Cruising Lines. You see a number of registration. You will see this information on the site, and you can check it. Open official site, Cruise Line International Association, and see there in cruises. All this information you can find on the site, and we have a high rate in Dun & Bradstreet, a number of registration. You can check also in official site of Dun & Bradstreet. We have license of seller of travel. It gives us a chance to work globally in any countries. And you see here number of license in California, Florida, Hawaii, Iowa, Washington. You can open any of this official site and you can check if it is true that in cruises registered there. Yes, it's true. You know, to get this license, our co-founder had to have crystal clear financial reputation in 3 generations before, and not just only Michael Hutchison, but Michael Hutchison father and grandfather. And you see that we formed as LLC under the law of States of Delaware in August 24, 2015. A number of our registration ID number you can see here. Also, you can open official site of Site Delaware, and you can check this information there too. So all this information you will see on the site. You can check, you can ask me questions. I would like everyone to feel very comfortable. I invite you for a long-term business cooperation. And I would like you to check every step, you check all information and feel absolutely confident with our business, with our club. So we participate in two donation program. It's Make a Wish for children with critical diseases and Clean Up Ocean that successfully started last year, September. And this program for children with critical diseases, it brings a lot of changes in children's life, because it just only not change them mentally, change the picture, but it can change them physically. And you know, Japanese scientists they discovered that 1 week on this mirror, on the surface of ocean, of the sea, restart your body, restart your organism, improve your organism functionality, and you become even younger. Yes, it is true. That is why people, when you see rich people in cruises, they look very nice, very attractive, and very happy. We have proven concept, we have proven business. 12 people reach the highest level. We have a lot of different international directors who earn now $15,000 to $10,000 per month. We have great company, we have unique product, we have huge market. What else you need to take a decision and to join? And to have the very powerful advertisement, mouth to mouth. It is network marketing. It is future of any business, because now it become more and more popular. It is a subject in economical universities, colleges, and so on. And all intelligent people, knowledgeable people, they know what it means. And each and every day appears new millionaire in this kind of business, in this model, because it's work have more power than any other advertisement. That is why when some years ago, someone asked Donald Trump, what would you like to do if you start your business again? He told, I would choose the most attractive network marketing company, direct selling company, and invest all my money there. When you have a business online, of course, you have to make recommendation. And without recommendation, without personal advertisement, I think a company has less chances to be successful. And of course, welcome to our cruises. And when you go and look around and ask people, would you like to do you like to travel? Have you ever been to the cruise? Would you like to go there? They will tell you yes. Yes, some people will tell you, yeah, I have this disease. Forget about it. We have it is a 21st century. We have a cruise ship, the whole 25 decks. It's the whole city with you, and they have very modern navigation control. When there is somewhere a storm, captain change the route. If a little bit, they have some stabilization system, and you do not feel it, because can you imagine? We have Cirque du Soleil or Broadway show or some skating or something like that, acrobats at whatever. They are on the dome. So we do not have any problem with waves, with storm. Forget about it. We live in different world. And of course, when you ask your friends, would you like to see the whole world before you die? Would you like? Okay, they will tell you yes. And one thing more, you have to remember that you live just only once. And you have to remember that you have to have your own goals. You have to have your own dreams. And if you have your own goals, you'll have your plans. And you'll have your plans, you will take a decision how you can live now, how if you do something today that will change your life tomorrow. If no, change your job. If you do something today that can't change your life tomorrow for better, change your job. Leave this comfort zone. Change your life. Start to do something different. Because until you do not have your own plans, you will all time be involved in someone's plans. You will live someone's life. You will not live your own life. But you have to remember that you have to live, first of all, for yourself. To help other people, you have to help yourself, first of all. So you have a chance now with our great company to change your life. To change your life completely, to have different lifestyle, and it is in your hand. Not me, not in cruises. Yes, you have a great chance within cruises. It is you who can change it. We just only will help you to do it. and you will live different lifestyle. You'll understand what will happen to you, because you have many people here who first time tell me, hey, cruises, what is it? I have never been to cruise. I do not know what is it. Some people from Ukrainian village, she told, where is me and where is cruises? I have never seen the sea. And now this person reached quite good level, not board directors, but nearly international director, who has now $15,000 per month. Look absolutely different way, very attractive lady, not from the village, and she adored this company because she changed her life totally. And they will not tell you that some of our top leaders that they bought apartment in Tenerife, and sometimes Olga. You can find some information about her on YouTube, and you will see. And you can change your life too. Just only you have to have a desire. You have a chance to show it to other people. And believe me, if not you come to your people to introduce your contacts, they will come to you soon. Because 400% per year, it's not a joke, it's reality. And you are welcome to my team. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I would like to see you soon in my team. From my side, I promise you, I will assist you, I will guide you, I will do everything we will do with you, and we will do first steps together. And for me, no problem. I can spend as much as it needs, because I will be interested in your success. And I would like you have your success, because with you, we can bring this value to people in your country, in your world, in your city, and you can show this chance to other people. And for what we live on this earth, what we are living for, yeah, we live to help each other. Don't forget, as a human being, as the partners, as the members, as the businessmen, our success comes from a success of our team. Thank you very much for your time and attention. If you have any questions, okay, I can give you a chance to ask me questions now. If you want to ask me later, no problem. We can talk in WhatsApp. We can arrange personal meeting in meeting room. We can discuss it. Or maybe you need a little bit time to to put it in the right place in your head. And thank you very much, and see you soon. For me, no problem. I make the next presentation for different time. It is Wednesday, 1 p.m. Kiev time. You have to check your time in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan. It's around 3.5 hours difference. So you have 3:30 p.m. So you can invite your people, you can give this link to your friends, to your contacts, but until you not join, believe me, nothing will happen. You have to join, you have to take a decision, you have to join, you have to make plan, because everyone will ask you, are you here? Why invite me? So thank you very much, and see you soon. Does anyone wants to ask something? No? Thank you very much, and see you in WhatsApp or Messenger. Bye-bye.